Longshin K12-6 generation, the smart choice for efficient tube processing. Optional fully automatic servo loading system. Seamless automation from loading to cutting. Say goodbye to manual handling. Dual chuck design for zero-tail cutting. Intelligent path optimization and nesting algorithms. Ensure seamless transitions between adjacent cuts, eliminating tail waste, and maximizing material usage. Longshin AI Smart Cut enables second-level response. One-click start for processing, significantly improving operational efficiency. Fully enclosed chuck with braking function. The rear chuck synchronously performs loading. Loading time is reduced by half, greatly enhancing overall production efficiency. The machine adopts a high dynamic drive system, high performance and stable control components. Increase acceleration and response speed by over 30%, paired with fully enclosed modules achieving up to 1.5 G acceleration. Empowering ultra-high-speed cutting. Optional servo following support is available to ensure processing accuracy for long workpieces. Optional slag-free cutting. Laser combined with cutting fluid, minimizing internal tube slag. The K12-6 Gen is widely applied in metal furniture, automotive components, fitness equipment, and laser job shop services. Meets the demands of high-volume tube cutting for users. Longshin 6th generation upgrade. AI Smart Cut for precise slag-free cutting.